What is Art Nouveau architectural movement and how it helped architecture design to improve and evolve? Art Nouveau is an international style of art, architecture, and applied art, especially the decorative arts, that emerged in Europe and the United States around 1890. It is characterized by its use of flowing, organic lines and forms inspired by nature, as well as its emphasis on craftsmanship and decorative detail. Art Nouveau architecture was a reaction against the eclectic historicism that had dominated architecture in the 19th century. Architects of the Art Nouveau movement sought to create a new, modern style that was both functional and beautiful. They often used new materials and technologies, such as iron, glass, and concrete, to create buildings that were both aesthetically pleasing and structurally innovative. Some of the key characteristics of Art Nouveau architecture include sinuous, organic lines. Art Nouveau buildings are often characterized by their flowing, curvilinear forms, which are inspired by the natural world. Natural motifs. Common motifs in Art Nouveau architecture include flowers, vines, leaves, and other natural forms. Wrought ironwork. Wrought ironwork is a common feature of Art Nouveau architecture, and is often used to create decorative balconies, railings, and gates. Stained glass. Stained glass is also a common feature of Art Nouveau architecture, and is often used to create colorful and intricate windows. Attention to detail. Art Nouveau architects paid great attention to detail, and their buildings are often decorated with intricate ornamentation. Art Nouveau architecture had a significant impact on the development of modern architecture. Its emphasis on organic forms and decorative detail helped to pave the way for the Art Deco movement of the 1920s and 1930s. Here are some of the most famous examples of Art Nouveau architecture. The Casa Mila, also known as La Pedrera, in Barcelona, Spain, by Antoni Gaudí. The Glasgow School of Art in Glasgow, Scotland, by Charles Rennie Mackintosh. The Horta Museum in Brussels, Belgium, by Victor Horta. The Passage des Princes in Paris, France, by Hector Gamard. Art Nouveau architecture is a beautiful and unique style that has had a lasting impact on the world of architecture. Its flowing lines, organic forms, and decorative detail continue to inspire architects and designers today.